guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here. I have to leave my house for work in about 30 seconds, so this is definitely more Christmassy than most of my looks have been, you know, red and green, Christmas colors. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. Good morning. I have to go to work in about an hour and a half, so I am sitting down to film my look. It is 9:30 in the morning, and yeah, so my voice sounds like this. That's why. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more, and we're going to start with the eyes today. I think I'm going to start with MAC's Wedge eyeshadow, this neutral, coolish color brown. I'm going to take that on my ColourPop E2 brush. I already primed my eyes with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. I need a transition shade here, and I don't know. I'm working with what I have. I'm not trying to spend a ton of money on makeup right now. It's back. Just because I am kind of poor because of the holidays, and with Jack being home, I'm going to be home for a while and I'm not going to be working. So I'm trying to just work with what I have, and we're going to leave that like that. Then I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and just go in with this red shade right here. I'm going to try to see how this works. Don't know if it will, but we're going to try. That's pretty good. I'm going to take a clean M441 brush and just buff out the top up here so it blends out a little bit more. It's not as crazy. Take a little bit of Wedge and go back in there. So now I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I'm going to take this shade right here. Pretty sure this is Buns. No, this is Jax. I'm going to take this on my ColourPop E9 brush and deepen up this red. I just want to make sure I'm packing this red into, I want things to be really deep. So that looks really, really nice to me. I really like that. Okay, so now's the fun part. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 10. It's a super light shade, so I'm hoping this will cut it really well. Okay, so that's pretty good for now. If I want to go and clean anything up, I will. So I'm going to go in with my R41 pencil brush from Morphe. I'm going to just fix up the sides here a little bit, in the inner corners at least. So what I'm going to do is take my R42 from Morphe and go in with Diva, this green shade right here. Pop that right in the middle. And obviously I'm not going to just leave it like this. I'm going to blend out the sides with that R41 again. So what I'm going to do, I've decided what I'm going to do is top over it with some of this Bottle Service color from the Morphe 9N palette that I used in my last look, this greenish gold, just to see if it'll make it a little bit greener. I'm just going to take my finger and pop it over top. Alright, so that's that. I am going to move on to my face now. Okay, so I primed my skin with the 3 primers that I use, and I am going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in NC37. I'm taking one of those Juno & Co sponges. They've actually grown on me a lot since the first time I used them in that video, so I need to buy the pump for this thing because it is so thick. I'm trying to be quick about my foundation and everything because I have to be at work in less than an hour. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smoothwear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC30. Ready for work. We're ready to go. Ready, guys? So I'm just going to set my under eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Light 15 powder. This stuff right here. I love it, and it's really affordable. I'm going to take this on my Morphe R13 brush and just dab it under here. Actually, I'm going to just set my smile lines with it. It's really been keeping those in place. Now before I go in with any other powders, I'm going to do my cream contouring. And it's a little bit dry today, so I'm going in with my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate to loosen that up. Just mark up my face pretty much. And then I'll go in with my dry beauty blender and blend this into my face. Because my hair is slicked back today, I definitely want to get it into my hairline really well. So before I go any farther, I'm going to finish up my under eye. And I'm just going to take my E9 with that Jack shade on it. And just connect everything. And then I'll take my E10, my big fluffy one. Or wait, no, my E2, I'm sorry. My E2 with that Huda Beauty red shade and smoke this out. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera just because I am pressed for time. So I will show you guys the finished look in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I have to run to work like right now. My timer is about to go off. So I really hope you guys like this. This is definitely more festive than my, recent looks have been, but I am really liking this like red and green combination right now. I'm digging it. Came out really well. Again, I have to go to work, so if you guys like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and hit subscribe. It is right over here. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.